Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into the thrilling world of HFM versus Exness, a battle of the brokers that I've personally tested so you don't have to spend your weekend reading fine print. Both have their strengths, depending on whether you're a seasoned pro or someone who still thinks a pip is a character from a Dickens novel. Starting with HFM, the account setup was surprisingly quick, fast enough that you won't have time to reconsider your life choices. The verification process was painless, and they offer a variety of account types like Standard, Zero, and Islamic, providing enough flexibility to suit almost any trading style. The HFM platform runs smoothly on both MetaTrader 4 and 5, and I actually enjoyed their copy trading feature, which is perfect for anyone who wants to lose money by following the experts instead of doing it themselves. They also provide a mountain of educational tools, from webinars to daily analysis, making it a cozy nest for beginners who still need their hands held. On the downside, the spreads can get a bit chunky on certain accounts, and they might hit you with withdrawal fees depending on your method. I also noticed some minor delays when trying to get my funds back. Nothing says, "We really like your money," quite like a slow withdrawal process. It's not a deal breaker, but it's definitely an annoyance if you trade frequently. When I switched over to Exness, the experience felt significantly more streamlined, moving at a pace that actually respects your time. The deposits and withdrawals are incredibly fast, sometimes even instant, which is a refreshing change for anyone tired of waiting for the banking system to wake up. The spreads here are tighter than a pair of skinny jeans, and the overall trading costs feel much lower, especially on the raw and zero accounts. Exness supports a massive range of payment options and feels rock solid thanks to being regulated in multiple countries, so you don't have to worry about your broker vanishing into thin air overnight. The catch with Exness is that they clearly don't have time for small talk. Their learning resources are pretty thin compared to HFM. It's a platform built for active traders who already know what they're doing and don't need a glossary to explain what a candle is. Also, keep an eye on those commissions. While the spreads are low, the cost can sneak up on you if you're clicking the trade button like it's a fidget spinner. Ultimately, HFM is the superior choice for beginners who want education and support, while Exness is the smarter pick for experienced traders who value tight spreads and getting their cash out instantly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.